Hello, I'm Vicky and welcome to the heart of Chelsea. We are standing in a townhouse in the sky with unobstructed views. Over 2 floors, this home is 4,144 square feet. It consists of 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and extremely high ceilings. This home is sitting in one of the most unique buildings in New York City. When you enter this home, you can't help but notice the attention to detail. And it all starts here in the kitchen, the heart of the home, where you have the custom cabinetry, this beautiful marble counter, and beautiful copper ceilings. But what I really love most about this home is the easy flow from space to space. Right off the kitchen, you have this lovely family room with double exposure, including access to a terrace, and enough space for your favorite sofa. It also has a custom built-in cabinet that holds and hides a TV and a fireplace. But what I love most is it has perhaps the best window seat in all of New York. I could do this all day, but I honestly have a whole other floor to show you. Even the transition spaces got a loving touch. The staircase got Venetian plaster on the walls and custom lighting, which brings you to the second level. It all happens here in the great room, and it's been built for sophisticated entertaining, with floor-to-ceiling windows that afford you a beautiful view of the Empire State Building and open into the second terrace. Inside, the standout feature is this massive marble art wall. And this great room is spacious enough to host little vignettes, a living area flooded with light, a dining area that has an exotic dining table and custom chandelier, and a custom lounge wine room. It has a custom marble bar, a double wine fridge, and an elegant banquette. But when the party's done and it's time to call it a day, let me show you where you go. This master bedroom is spacious enough to host 2 sitting areas centered on a fireplace. It has double exposure, ample closet space. It even has a separate dressing area with a window and a Venetian chandelier. Notice again the attention to detail with the silk wall treatment, custom lighting on each side of the bed, and who doesn't love a window seat? I hope you have seen why I call this a townhouse in the sky and appreciated the attention to detail. I truly thank you for taking the tour with me.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?